Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to easily plot grid reference in Google Earth. For this all you need to do is to convert the grid reference into geographic coordinates and then paste it in the Google Earth or Google Maps. This can be done easily by using various applications available on the Play Store. The application I am going to use to convert grid reference into geographic coordinates is Alpine Quest. It is an excellent application which allows you to use many location formats like geographic coordinates or longitude latitude, grid references or EPSG, etc. Moreover, it also allows you to use different types of maps including various types of OpenStreetMaps, terrain maps and satellite maps. I am using Google Hybrid Map right now. Now let's first plot the grid reference that we want to plot in Google Earth or Google Maps in this Alpine Quest application. For this, tap on Flag, go to Search a Location, type your grid reference, and then tap on Search. As you can see, I had plotted grid reference of Sri Guru Ram Das Ji International Airport in Amritsar. Now we will copy the coordinates of this location. For this, tap on the pin location, then share and then copy coordinates. Now that we have copied the coordinates, we will open Google Earth and paste the coordinates in the search bar and press enter. As you can see, we have landed on the same Sri Guru Ram Das Ji International Airport in Amritsar. Using this method you can convert any grid reference into geographic coordinates. But must keep in mind two more things. First is that after installing Alpine Quest, go to Settings and set the primary location format to European Petroleum Survey Group System EPSG or grid reference system of your zone. And set the secondary location format to latitude-longitude. Secondly, if you only have a 6-figure grid reference, type the first 2 figures of the northings and eastings, of the general area in which your grid reference falls, and enter 00 after entering the 3 figures of northings and eastings. I hope you must have been benefited by this video. Please ask in the comments if you don't get anything.